On some occasions, Sheldon is allowed to bring hoppers of gravel all the way down to the main line. On this day, much to his surprise, Milton was waiting for the train. He had arrived back early with the express, so Miss Caldwell asked him to collect it. He was in a bad temper, not only because he had to pull freight cars, but because he had gotten into a heated argument with Miss Caldwell right before he left. And it also didn't help that Sheldon had taken so long to get there. "I don't know why they sent you down here," sniffed Milton. "You are ever so slow." Sheldon smirked at Milton. "I get to places fairly quickly," he said. "Probably in your dreams," Milton replied snootily. "I'll tell you what, I'll race you and prove it." Milton laughed so hard his horn went off. "Race? Me?" he chortled. "Yes," Sheldon confirmed. "This Sunday at noon." "You're on." News of the race spread fast. Some engines wanted to be nice, support the idea of a race, while others tried to talk Sheldon out of it. "Please just back out while you still can," pleaded Taylor. "You have nothing to prove to that upside-down bathtub." "I'll be fine, Taylor," said Sheldon confidently. "Milton doesn't scare me." "All right," sighed Taylor. "If this is what you want to do." Sunday soon came. The engines agreed to race from the Quarry Junction to Denville. When the clock struck noon, Brielle blasted her horn, starting the race. Milton took off like a rocket, while Sheldon slowly started. Milton soon realized he didn't have to run at his full speed. It will be tomorrow before he reaches the finish line, he thought to himself. He stopped to talk to other engines, stopped for water just because, and even slowed to look at the lake. It had been a very long afternoon, so he decided to stop in a siding and take a nap until Sheldon caught up. Meanwhile, Sheldon was running at his full speed, which, to be honest, wasn't really fast at all. After coming down the hill, he passed a siding where Milton was sleeping. At Denville, some of the engines were waiting. They were all surprised to see Sheldon first. "Where's Milton?" called Larry. Sheldon didn't answer. He puffed and chuffed into the station to a chorus of cheers and whistles. "Now, where's Milton?" asked Malcolm. "I passed him asleep in a siding," answered Sheldon. No sooner had he said that, Milton raced in, but it was no good. He had already lost. The other engines roared with laughter. "I told you I could beat you in a race," joked Sheldon. Milton turned red with frustration and embarrassment. Sheldon spotted Taylor and winked. Taylor just smiled back. She knew exactly what Sheldon had done.